Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be installing the latest release of LolMiner, which is version 1.33 on a Windows 10 PC. There are many different coins that you can mine with LolMiner, and if we take a look at MinerStat, here are some coins that are available to be mined. To begin the setup for LolMiner, you're going to want to download the latest release, and I'm going to show you how to do that, so let's get started. So we're going to begin at our desktop of Windows 10, and I'm going to open up my browser, and inside Google I'm just going to type in LolMiner and search for that. And here is the official URL from GitHub to get the latest release. So we're going to click on this link, and it's going to take us to the latest release page. I'm going to include this link in the description below so you can easily find it, and we'll just scroll down a bit here. And as you can see, this is version 1.33, which was released about 6 days ago. I'll scroll down a little bit further, and what we want to do is download the Win64 zip file right here. I'm going to right click on it, and I want to make sure that I'm saving as, because I want to save it in my miner exclusion folder on my desktop. So I'll just scroll up here, go to my desktop, select the mining folder, and this is where all my miners are stored, so I'll just save it in there. Windows sees this as a dangerous file, so we can click on Show All, and then we want to say Keep Dangerous File, and then keep anyway. So now what I can do is I can close out of my browser, and on my desktop I'm going to open up my mining folder. This mining folder has been added to the Windows exclusion list. If you haven't already done that, you can check out this video and I'll walk you through the steps to get that set up. The reason why you might want to do this is because when you're running the miner, Windows might see this as a threat because of its high intensity and CPU usage. So it's often flagged as a threat even though it's not. So let's continue here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to extract all the files of this LolMiner into the same folder. So I'm going to right click on it and say extract all. And then it's going to give me the same path, and I can click on extract. And there we go. So it's extracted into a subfolder within my mining folder. And here is version 1.33. So I'm going to double click on that, and I'm going to open it up. And we just want to make sure that all the files are here. Most importantly, the LolMiner executable file. So now that we have everything extracted, we're going to go ahead and start configuring the miner. In this example, we're going to be mining Beam, and we have the batch file right over here. So this is the one that we're going to be editing. To edit it, you just have to right click on it and then go to edit, and this should open up in your notepad. Now, if you get a prompt like I did, all you have to do is click on more info and then run anyway. Now here is the file that we're going to be editing. There's just a few things that we need to change, which is the pool and port number, and also the wallet address and worker name. So the worker name isn't as important, but if you have multiple computers or multiple GPUs, this will just help easily identify it. So what we need right now is the pool information. So I'm going to open up my browser. I'm going to go back into Google. And inside Google, I'm just going to type in Beam mining pool. I'll just open it up, and we'll be using the 2 miners Beam mining pool. And we just have to scroll down a bit here to get the server information, and we have the quick start, and we click on this, and here are all the servers. So here's the server list, and we have a couple for Europe, United States, and Asia. Because I'm close to the United States, I'm going to be selecting that one right now. So I'm going to be selecting the United States server, which is this one right over here. I'm just going to select it and highlight it. I'm also going to include the port number. So right click on that and copy it. I'm going to head back over to my batch file, and then I'm just going to be selecting this section right over here and pasting it. When you do this, you want to make sure that the equal sign stays there as well as both quotations. If they're removed, then you'll have an issue with it connecting to the right server. Next, what we want to do is put in the wallet information. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to be deleting everything right up until the period. You want to make sure that you leave the period where it is because you're going to need that. Again, you run into issues if it's been deleted. So I'm just going to remove that. And then I'm going to go into my Beam wallet, and I'm just going to copy and paste it over. So my wallet address is now entered. And the next thing I have to do is just change this name. You can put in literally anything that you want here. Just going to put in CJ worker, and the last step is just to save it. So file and save, and then we can go ahead and close the window, and I'll just minimize this window. So now all we need to do is double click on the batch file, and we can begin to run the miner. And there we have it. It takes a few seconds to get started, and then you'll see all the information that we entered, including the server address, our wallet address, and the worker name. So that's how you install LolMiner on a Windows 10 PC. This is the version 1.33. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. If you thought this video was useful, please give me a like. Also subscribe if you're looking for other tutorials. I have many more coming out. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.